In this video, we'll guide you through how to create a free Snyk account and import your first GitHub project into Snyk and test your open source dependencies for known vulnerabilities. First, I'm going to log into the snyk.io site and use my GitHub account as a federated login from the list of options. I'll need to grant Snyk access to read the email address my GitHub account uses, and this will be where I'll receive security notifications and security reports for my projects. My overall goal is to secure my team's code, which lives in a GitHub repo, so I'll go ahead and select GitHub and use the default options. That means Snyk can regularly scan my projects and automatically create fixed pull requests on my repo, so I can fix those vulns automatically. This requires additional permissions that I need to grant from my GitHub account, which I'll accept here. You can disable these options if you prefer, but you won't be able to use Snyk's fixed pull request features. Finally, I'll select the Goof project from my list of GitHub repositories and add it as a project into my Snyk account. Snyk reads the package.json manifest in my Goof project to build up a dependency graph, and that's it. Seconds later, my dependencies have been checked and tested for known vulnerabilities. Snyk has found 60 security issues in total, including 31 high severity vulnerabilities. I'd better start fixing them. Join me on the next video as we take a deeper look at this list of vulnerabilities and create automatic fix pull requests to remediate them. Thanks for watching and stay secure.